Attention everyone. I'm here to announce that some television commercials from different kinds of cereals and Cheetos and that's it. And all of those commercials that should be brought back. That had story commercials, and that they should, and I recommend that they should be brought back to life into something. They should be brought back because they are a lot of fun, and you get to go on the internet to find out, to play the games and progress through the story, to watch the next commercial of what happens next, to find out the secret of and solve the mystery. And I'm about to tell you what kind of cereal products and one chip product that was used. They were used by Trix cereal, Cocoa Pebbles, Honey Nut Cheerios, Fruit Loops, and Cheetos. These commercials were very great, and I believe they deserve to be brought back to this future generation. I recommend you talk to people about it in person, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Reddit, Skype, and video chat with people about it. Bye for now. Until next time I think of another suggestion for another video on for a television series that should get put into development, and a new movie that should get put into development. Please remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my videos on social media. And also, if you haven't seen the commercials, look them up on YouTube.